welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about the benefits of mental rest on your musical performance. Wait, what? Practicing 500 hours in a row is not the best way to improve my performance? That's right. Mental rest refers to the experience of not thinking about your domain. So for musicians, that would be not thinking about your musical performance. There hasn't been a lot of research about mental rest in music performance, but there's been some research about it in sports psychology. You can think of yourself as sort of like an athlete. You train a lot of fine motor and gross motor skills, and you work hard every day for several hours, and then you try to perform to the best of your ability on stage. Sports psychology shows that having periods of rest can maximize the gains that you made in your practice sessions and help elevate your performance. The benefits of mental rest are many. They include helping you increase your motivation, helping you feel fresh, increasing your internal control, improving your mental well-being, and also helping with things like concentration and attention. When you're constantly surrounded by reminders of your domain, so for musicians that would be music, this can have a really big toll on your mental well-being. Because as much as we may have really great experiences in our domains often involve a lot of stress, frustration, constantly working to better ourselves. And this can have a really great impact on your mental capacity. We're constantly surrounded by reminders of music and of our instrument. There's social media, there's maybe the concert hall across the street, maybe you also have your instrument in your bedroom. One way to do this is to socialize. You can talk to people that are outside of your domain, or you can ask your close friends and family to talk to you about things that are outside of your domain. A great way that you can do this is by asking questions about the other person and what they're doing. Artists also tend to have social media accounts that are related to their craft. So you can have different accounts where you look at different things, or you can take a break from social media altogether. Similarly, you can also lock your instrument and put it somewhere where you won't see it for a while. A third activity that you can do is to watch a movie or read a book that isn't related to your art. Be sure to choose something that fully engages your attention, and put your phone away and remove all distractions. While doing this, you can actually train your focus and inhibition skills at the same time. Another option is to go somewhere that's not home or campus, anywhere that's not going to remind you of your instrument. It doesn't have to be anywhere far, it can even just be to the park. And if it's outdoors, that's even better. It's important to pick options that are appealing to you because that's actually going to increase your likelihood of doing them. As a musician, there's always going to be that next concert, the next lesson, the next piece that you'll have to learn. It's important to plan ahead and schedule for time for mental rest. Otherwise, you're more likely to just keep pushing it off and letting all the other things in your life take over. Well, that's it for today. Thank you all so much for watching this video, and be sure to subscribe to my channel. Bye!